It's not just me, it's everybody who thinks that you're fucking ugly when you come and hurt us just so you can get your money. Say what you gonna do, you're causing a panic, craving my original magic. If you just stay, let's try it. Complicated, overrated, you're fixated, underrated by the separation in this place that you've created. Can't you see that we're all hurting? If you're not teaching, we're not learning. Excuse me, how much are you earning? Dreams, and that's not the principle. You wish they were fucking lying. I bet you wish they were kidding. Cut you up like a cake red ribbon, burn you down to the stake. I'm sizzling. Lesson me was a mistake. Now you're missing. To make you listen, but you won't. It's your way, right? I don't wanna slow my ride. I don't wanna smoke, get stung. I bite my tongue. I bite my tongue. I don't wanna slow my ride. I don't wanna smoke, get stung. Magic, if you just take it, let's try it.